Yeah.
Yes. What is your favorite hobby and why?
My favorite hobby is to draw because drawing makes me happy and I like to show off my drawings with my friends. And everyone tells me like, how are you drawing so cool? And I tell I'm a left-hander, so I draw well. I like to be everyone becomes jealous to see my drawings and I like that. And I like to draw because I will get happy and my brother will not disturb me during that time. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Guest Yashwant,